Oh, fire! Me!
And I never made the firewood connection. Until yesterday, I thought of it. I watched a video of dogs carrying sticks. I'm like, oh yeah, I drag sticks out of the woods. You came up with. You know, I think you're wrong.
Not exactly a good move, was it?
Here's the thing then, Mackie, right?
Oh, look at that overtake.
Out of expenses, we will pay for your meal.
You still booked for a bottle of wine as well?
Yes.
Is it going as well?
You be careful.
Hey.
Ticket to tune into Monday
For zero gain.
No.
Going to Mansfield, I think he could be.
Why not?
Because
He's leaning towards the right.
And know what it was
Agreed. I think it's a bad
There's
move.
the vehicles who've overtaken
It doesn't matter whether
him.
it's a series or not. It's a bad move if you can't go and watch it in isolation.
Told Ben to look at his phone. You don't have emergent home working.
just gonna have brake lights? Okay, we're gonna have brake lights. Okay.
That's a interesting manoeuvre. Reversed all the way down that road onto this side of the street. Smooth move, my guy.
Shows 42-inch HD TV. So HD TV is what the Ryder Cup was invented for, which is on Sky this weekend. Sky HD for a year, and you get a brand new LG Blu-ray home cinema. You win all of that. This is
Oh no.
Yeah. We'll have to ask about the parking situation. It's off-road within off-road, so it could be that you get to put the car maybe on that road and the trailer near it out front.
Be careful, you never know what's hiding behind that truck.
the best of which are likely across southern England and western Scotland. Cloudier in the northeast with patchy rain at times.
Yeah, well done.
What are you doing? Go straight!
Just went through on red, that Range Rover.
That was rad. That was a lot of rad.
Someone's got a ticket. Someone's got a ticket. Someone's got a ticket. MG on that side.
Stop park there, sir.
My body actually oddly protected me because my ankle was twisting underneath my body weight and all.
Well, that bike shouldn't be doing 30 miles an hour. That's illegal.
Yeah. So they tweet? Have they tweeted that then?
Yeah. I'm looking up car parking space. These two here.
But to me, like, it's what I've always said, like,
Really?
keeping...
Wow.
Alright.
Park on double yellows, yeah. Standard Uber service.
XJS. Shame about the steering. Oh, sorry. Say about the steering wheel on the wrong side. Dating from 1986. And a Dodge Charger, a V8, as they always have to be. Well, in your face as much as any Dodge Charger is, but there you go. So now we have a Honda S2000. And departing is a Ferrari. Now here's one you don't see every day. 1994, I think. Toyota Crown, Royal Saloon. Interesting to note, 2 windscreen wipers on the back. So now we have a Macan S. And a somewhat elderly 944 now.
Anyway.
be sandy or not?
It's not enough looking for previous generation.
They're off to do something.
Told the Telegraph he was thinking of with regard to social media.
Why can't I turn left?
Mooted the notion of a watershed, a 10 p.m. watershed.
Why can't I turn left?
You have to open. And let me say.
Now I can turn left. Why? Why? What? That's so weird. There's no traffic coming across. You can't turn right from the other side. What